JJ's now yelling at Uncle Jay for throwing it on his head. Okay, put it back on. Okay, Uncle Jay's gonna throw it to you. 1, 2. Pretty close. I think Uncle Jay's trying to take JJ out. Okay, JJ. Throw it back to Uncle Jay. Someday. Okay, yeah, it's pretty windy.